How a born woman her leadership will be doing no more. Get home. Those parties in the electoral and their family. God made her she never did.
Much now rely on the church. Who know the church or another church? So much.
She's a good woman, an advisor, a prayer warrior, and a personal organizer. So today, Kedia, and Masipano, Nibiano, Kachineke, Uchiteha, Ebola Hasibia, Nan Ela Chipaka, Uchiteha, safe journey to all of them in Jesus' name.
Actually, all we need to do is to follow her step. Her step of being good, being truthful, and being a brother's keeper.
Well, I know to us it was a loss, but to heaven it was a gain. A saint just went home. She lived a life that she emulates, a life of holiness, and I'm happy that she died in the Lord. That's why we just.
I nobody for her.
Good year.
And she will go and okay. A lovely mom.
Kapomosia woman. Put the one your man. Good year. One you move good year. So how many markets as woman? As a woman, so much lover, so much, up to death, forever. Sadly, that will never come up from my mind because I so much love my mother so much.
God said, let brotherly love continue. So many things have been said about my mom. She's a woman of peace. She's a gentle woman, loving and caring. I want all those attributes people saw in her. Let such attributes be seen in us, her children.
It's Major Yomi Irile, and they are married to Mama's first daughter.
God bless you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ogun State, Jebu, Ogun State.
Okay.
But you don't spend Jebu money again. I'm from Ogun State.
Thank you. Okay. Okay. So how do you feel over today's ceremony?
Well, I'm very happy that everything has gone very well. But at the same time, I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised because there is peace. And the person that died is a woman of peace.
Yes, actually, I pray for every of my relation, my friends, well-wishers that came from so many places. They have contributed a lot. They have done nothing, and I really appreciate. They are going home. They will go home in peace.